Christmas has always felt like coming home to me. Growing up, I went to a Catholic school, and Christmas wasn't just a date in the calendar. It was everything. Carols we'd sing, stories we'd hear, the anticipation that would be, built from the first day of December. It all seeped into my soul and literally feels like it never left me. So here's the thing, my birthday also falls just a few days after Christmas, which meant that every single year I was on vacation during most of this time of the year. So no rushing, no schedules, just pure uninterrupted Christmas. And I got to experience Christmas in its form in many, many different places. So sometimes different cities, different homes, different traditions, and lately even in different corners of the world. So each place showed me a new way to celebrate, a new way to share the same warmth and wonder. And I think that that's what I really understood. Christmas isn't about where you are, it's just about a feeling. It's how you feel with the people, the memories you create, and the traditions you hold on to. Now I have a little one, and everything feels even more magical because I get to see it all again through his eyes. The wonder, the excitement, the pure joy of it all. We spend an entire month soaking it in together. We decorate every corner, untangle lights, laugh at how, they're always sometimes entangles, no matter how carefully we put them away. We bake cookies, which don't always turn out to be perfect, but taste just perfect to us. We curl up with a hot chocolate, watch Christmas movies, get those cheeky mugs. We just get our matching pajamas out and just, have fun and just slow down. There's something about this season that makes me feel very connected. The twinkling lights, the smell of cinnamon and pine, the sounds of laughter, just the beauty of all of it. It's also not about having the perfect tree or the most elaborate decorations, even though I do all of it, but I just feel it's like creating a space that feels like love. A space that invites you to stay just a little longer, to be a little softer, to appreciate the small, beautiful moments. So, not all ornaments on my tree have a story, but some are from my son's childhood, some are the adventures we've taken. Some are things that I have, gone to these specific websites and kind of waited a year to get. So, yeah, it makes everything very, nostalgic for me. It's also just a season for connection to the people I love, to the parent I'm becoming. It reminds me to slow down, to be present, and to cherish what really matters. So here is my home this year, dressed up in all the things that make me feel like home. Every light, every decoration, every cozy corner. It's a part of our story. I hope that as you watch, you feel the warmth too, that you are reminded of what makes your Christmas special. Because at the end of the day, that's what this season is all about. Not what it looks like, but what it makes you feel. Merry Christmas from our home to yours. May this season be filled with warmth, wonder, and the magic that comes from simply being together. See you very soon in a fresh, bright, beautiful new year.